Alright guys, today we are looking at how to change the blade on one of these electric hand planers. So we're going to turn it over, and then the first thing you're going to see is that there's 3 little bolts in there, or little nuts. You got to get your wrench. Usually if you buy one, they send you one that has the right fitting, and you got to loosen them up. Okay, I'm going lefty-loosey here. Okay, and that's going to allow me to slide this blade out that's right here. I actually just used the same wrench that they sent me, and I tried to kind of catch the edge on it right there, and see it slides out for me. Okay, now you can actually flip these over and use them again, but I've already flipped this one over, so I'm going to change it out completely. And you can order replacement packs for these, typically off of Amazon. Slip one out here. Okay, got them open. I'm going to slide blade out. It comes with 2 because there's 2 of these blades. We're going to rotate this around and change out the other one in a second. But I'm going to take it, it doesn't matter which side, because remember it's 2-sided. We flip it around when one side gets dull, and it just fits in there just right. And then you actually, there you go, it kind of fits to where just that blade edge is sticking out past it, and you might have to kind of finick with it a little bit to get it to go in there just right. But once it's in there, I'm going to tighten back down. Remember, righty-tighty, tighten these back down. We'll just hand tighten them to where they're pretty snug. With a lot of things like this, you want to be careful not to over tighten it. Okay, so I just rotated around as you saw, and now I'm going to knock out the other side. Just loosen it up, loosen all 3 of them here. Again, we take our end of our little wrench, we slide it out. There, that one was easier, much easier. Again, I've already used up both sides of this, so it's dull. I'm going to take my fresh one out of the pack, and I'm going to slide it up in from the same way that I slid it out. Go. The further you push it in, the better it'll fit, so you just kind of got to get started, and once you push it in all the way, you'll see. You might want to clean out some debris that's kind of starting to get stuck in there if you use it a lot. Okay, then we'll tighten them back up. Alright guys, and that's how you change a blade on an electric hand planer. The fresh blade's going to cut through it a lot more smooth.